Good morning, guys. Hope all of you are doing okay. Kwanza, kindly bear with my voice. I have flu. So today I'm going to show you guys like how I arrange my makeup. I got this new table, and I'll even show you guys where I was putting my makeup before. And I'm going also to do a DIY. So stay tuned. Guys, this is the table that I'm telling you. It has 2 drawers. So yeah, that's where I'm going to be arranging my makeup from now on. Let me show you where I was putting my makeup before. So guys, this is where your makeup artist was putting her makeup. So here is where I was arranging my palette, my skincare. Yeah, as you can see, the perfumes. There is where I used to put like my hair products. Alafu here is where I put my sunglasses. Yeah, so all these will be transferring to this table over here. So for a start, I want to do the DIY first, then I can come and arrange the makeup. Guys, this is the bottle that I'm going to do a DIY. I'm going to spray paint it. Let me show you how it looked before. So as you've seen, it previously had alcohol. So after taking all the alcohol, I decided to clean it up. Yeah, and now this is the end product, but not the final product. So let's go and spray paint this, our African bottle. So guys, I'll be using this spray paint. It's metallic gold, as you can see. Yep, so let's go and spray. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it like to dry, then I can put it back in the house. So guys, you remember when I told you when I did an unboxing video, Dubois unboxing video? If you haven't watched, go and watch it. Okay, go and watch it. When I told you guys that I'm going to do a DIY on these jars, so today is when I'm going to like do it. As you can see, this one I'd already put my cotton, the cotton wool that I use for my skincare. So these ones now I'm going to like exchange and put my brushes and the beauty blenders in. You'll see. Let me start. So guys, this is where I used to put my small brushes and my big brushes plus my beauty blenders. Imagine hapa ndo nilikuwa ninaweka. So guys, here is the end. You see how they look? At least zinakaa poa, not like before. My blenders. Oh, this I also DIY'd it, but kitambo. Here is where I put my collection of sunglasses, my watches, my other sunglasses, and here I put like a small collection of earrings. So let's move to me like arranging my makeup. So that is the mess that we have right now. I haven't even removed like my hair products, but I first want to deal with this mess over here. Yeah, then I can arrange the hair products. So guys, as you had seen, I always put like my palettes here, and I'm thinking of spray painting it black. Yeah, I'll do black, so I'm going to use this spray paint. The box has already dried up. I decided to go with gold because your black, it was messing me up. So yeah, so I just decided to go with gold. So guys, I'm done. So before, let me show you. As you can see, I already removed the stuff that were here, so I've remained with this. At the farthest, I decided to put here like my palettes the way they were. Here is where I put like my fake nails, all that, my, it's called what, my wipes, cotton wool, beauty blenders, my big brushes, the small ones, perfume. So I think I did not show you, like, so this is how this one turned out. You see, so beautiful. Africa. So this is how the first drawer looks like. As you can see here, I decided to put my sprays, primer, then the foundations, here the powders, here where I'd put my concealers, yeah, my nail polish, I've put them there, my skincare products here, here is where I've put my lipsticks, and we are done with drawer 1. So this is drawer 2. So I decided to put here my hair products, my mousse, the Allison thing, spray, my leave-in treatments, yeah, all that. This one I always use for my packaging. And here I decided to put like all my lashes, my face mask, and my other lashes, plus the rollers, my sanitary towels, my hair gel, and other treatment, yeah, all that. I decided to put them here, my measuring tape, yeah, and we are done with that. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you liked this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and also if you're subscribing now, kindly click also the notification button just in case I upload a new video, you get notified. Anyway guys, do have a lovely morning, afternoon, and evening.